What steps can I take to ensure my device is properly paired with my JLab Earbuds?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to pair your device with JLab Earbuds. It's a simple process, and I will guide you through it step by step. So, let's jump right in.
Are your earbuds ready for pairing?
Before we start, let's ensure that your JLab earbuds are ready for pairing. First, turn off any devices that were previously connected to your earbuds to prevent automatic reconnection. Second, put your earbuds in the charging case and make sure they are charged. Then, remove the earbuds from the case. Your earbuds will automatically turn on and go into pairing mode. Remember, if your earbuds don't automatically enter pairing mode, you can manually activate it by pressing and holding the power button on either earbud for 3 seconds. You should hear the voice prompt saying, Bluetooth pairing.
How to pair your device with the earbuds.
Now, let's pair your device with the JLab earbuds. It's an easy process, so just follow these steps. 1. On your device, navigate to the Settings menu. 2. Next, select Bluetooth or Connections, depending on your device. 3. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. 4. Search for available devices. You should see your JLab earbuds listed here, often denoted by their model number, e.g., JLab Air. 5. Select your JLab earbuds from the list of available devices. If prompted for a PIN, enter 0000 4 zeros.
What if my device doesn't connect?
If your device doesn't connect with the earbuds, don't panic. Here's what you can do. Restart your device and the earbuds, then try the pairing process again. Reset your earbuds to factory settings. This varies by model, so check the manual or JLab's website for specific instructions. Ensure that your device's Bluetooth software is up to date. If not, update it. And that's it. You have successfully paired your device with your JLab earbuds. Enjoy your music, podcasts, or whatever else you love to listen to. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and happy listening.